How to clean a gas fireplace. Dear friends, gas fireplaces give warmth without the smoke or ash of a wood fireplace. It's a quicker, more energy-efficient way to heat a room than a gas furnace is. However, a gas fireplace can get grimy over time. Burning gas can cause a fireplace's glass door to turn white or foggy due to the manufacturing chemicals used in natural gas products. Here is a basic gas fireplace cleaning process. Turn off the gas valve. Let the burners cool completely before cleaning. Vacuum out any dust and debris from around the fireplace and or its vents. Open the fireplace door or doors. Use a dry paintbrush or cloth to dust off the ceramic gas logs and any decorative fireplace grate. Clean the glass doors with glass cleaner and paper towels. If there is a white film, consider using a special fireplace glass cleaner instead. Give the andirons and tools a thorough cleaning with dish soap and water. Follow up with metal polish if desired. Tip: soot can build up in a gas fireplace if the logs or ports aren't working properly. Contact a plumber to make sure your gas fireplace is in good condition. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.